Press start.
Hello, I'm Wave. How to draw a tree. You might have seen trees everywhere in the jungle or in the park. Why trees are important? That is for sustaining our Earth's ecosystem. They provide oxygen and take in carbon dioxide. We'll show you how to draw. First step, this is a tree trunk, which naturally made of wood called logs. Second step, the tree trunks can divide into numerous branches. Large branches are known as boughs, and small branches are known as twigs. Then in the third step, leaves. But they merge each other forming as a cloud. Actually it's green in color. Finally coloring the tree to give it a good look. Back into the fact, sometimes they cut down trees by people and workers. Tree logs are used to form any ways like burning fire in the fireplace, or outside during winter season. Other application that can be used is a house made of logs, and furnitures that are made of logs. That's how the fact says. And you have learned how to draw a tree. Like, comment, and subscribe now.